Okay, well, gonna be tearing the CR down because I had to go and crash it and hurt myself for some weird reason. I don't know. But yeah, gonna take all the old plastics off just because I've wanted to refresh everything for a while, and yeah, it seems like a good time. Snap the fender. So yeah, I don't know if the remaining half of this fender, if it's just in the trash somewhere, if it's still like on the side of the track at Canyon, or I don't know if they have like a storage locker unit just full of broken plastics, or what they do with it. But oh well. Yeah, I'll tear this stuff off and start putting some new plastics on. Okay, so I want to repolish the frame and polish the swing arm, but right now we're gonna put the new plastics on. Another Polysport Restyle kit, but it's a different color than the old ones. It's a little darker, so it's gonna be sweet. But yeah, we're gonna put those on just so I can put the graphics on, and then later on we could take the plastics off and get all that. But yeah, 83.7 hours since last. Well, since we built this thing back up from the ground, and yeah, just had to freshen it up. This tire right here has 83.7 hours on it. It's the original tire we used on the rebuild. This one doesn't, because originally we put an 18-inch rear wheel. Then like a year later we switched to the 19, so this one has a little less, but yeah, time for plastics and probably graphics. I got graphics. These are from Bike Graphics. It's a pretty clever name, Bike Graphics. But yeah, so I've had these before and I've looked at them all, and not sponsored or anything by them, but if you want some graphics, go check them out. They're pretty sweet. This is just a semi-custom kit, so I could like pick logos I wanted, and then they send me a proof. Well, you have to pay like $10 to get a proof, but then you just say, yeah, I like this, I don't like that, then they'll change it, and then just do it until you like it, then send them out. So, and then for the front number plate, this is actually 2021 plus, or I guess 2022 CRF plastic, not the Restyle kit. Over here is the fender, which is also 22, obviously, but if you have a CR 02 to 07, that's what this is, and you like the restyled look, I would recommend that. I mean, as long as you can drill holes in there and make this custom little piece, and you don't mind defacing a dime, because that's what we had to do. But yeah, because the Polysport kit really rubbed on the fender every time you hit a jump, and I had like big old black smudges on the tire, or the fender from the tire. So this one has a bunch more clearance. Obviously I haven't jumped it yet, but I'm just assuming it's gonna be good. So yeah, I'm gonna put graphics on. Alright, well, I took a gamble getting these. These are 21 plus CRF fork guards. They have little holes in the sides and they're just kind of redesigned. Because I originally wanted those, but couldn't find them at the time or something. I don't know. But the same deal with this brake caliper guard. That's just an OEM Honda part for the brand new bikes. But they bolt right up, and I was looking at the bolt holes on these, and they look like they should work. So I guess I'll put those on. Okay, this is my old seat cover. This is just like an eBay brand. I don't even remember. OEM kind of looking seat cover. Turned pink after like a couple months and just got nice and slippery. So got a new seat cover now. Gonna be seeking some thrills with this new Thrill Seekers one. Not sponsored or nothing, but oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, jeez. Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah. Pretty sweet looking thing, just got it in today, nice and grippy. I'm gonna put that on, and then it's like it's awesome. Okay, seat cover took a little while to put on. As usual, seat covers are not nice, but looks good. Color scheme is nice. Now I want to shine up the frame a little more, shine up the pipe, rebuild the forks, put gold valves in them, have all the parts, and just don't have time because big plans for tomorrow, but that's for another video. It's like 9 or 10 o'clock at night. We gotta be there like 9, so whatever, it's fine. That's it. That's all we're getting right now. Looks awesome. So if you enjoyed turning my old cr125 into this monster right here, leave a like builds, subscribe. You like riding, subscribe, whatever. I don't even care. But yeah, cool. I guess I'll see you in the next one.